Hi, welcome to The Pit. This is my video series on personal investing tools and techniques. My name is Lundy Hill. This is not financial investment advice, and I am not a financial advisor. And please note, past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Last video, I talked about why I think Bitcoin might be heading to new all-time highs. I've done some more chart analysis and prices evolved a little bit, and it is forming some different patterns, or actually the same pattern, but it's on a smaller time scale. So I wanted to highlight the fractal nature of some of the patterns that I watch. This is the chart I showed last time, and it shows the foreclosed reversals, if you can take note of my cursor here. Back in early July, we had 4 tight closes here, and then the 5th day was a wide range breakout of those 4 closes. I call that a foreclosed reversal. Price then promptly rallied about $7,000 and formed the same pattern again. And that was my last video, talking about how I think it could project a price up to about $72,000 and possibly higher. If it's so close to the all-time highs, why wouldn't it just go ahead and break it? Here's the next chart. This is more up to date. This is another one-day chart, and we see the foreclosed reversal pattern here, the second one, which I highlighted last time, and the projected price move to $72,000. We can see on the daily bar charts that you did in fact have a foreclosed down reversal, which might get you to come out of your long position and get flat. But then what I want to highlight now is the 4-hour bar chart. Here's the prior foreclosed reversal that was on the daily bar chart. The red lines are the highest and lowest close of those 4 days. Note the channel. I drew a trend channel across these 2 highs right here and projected it forward, which exactly pegged that top, which forms 3 drives to a top here, a temporary top, and then it pulls back. I projected this, I copied this line and pulled it between the lowest point between these 2 pivots to form the trend channel. And we are bouncing, hopefully bouncing, along those lows of this trend channel. And this presents itself with a nice low risk trade. If you buy it here, which I'm not recommending, paper trade only, you can have a nice tight stop below these lows. Here it is zoomed in a little bit tighter. We can see that, actually this is a 4-hour chart. This is what I wanted to show you about the fractal nature. If you bring the bar charts from a daily to a 4-hour, we can see at the bottom of this trend channel, we've just had a foreclosed reversal up on the 4-hour bar chart. 1, 2, 3, 4 closes. We've had the foreclosed reversal up. So you could buy this here, hypothetically, with a stop either below the lowest close of those 4 closes, below these lows, or the lowest close of the last 4 bars, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, which would be that 4th bar there, which would be about 65,000 and change. And this is what I wanted to highlight. This is 4-hour bar chart, but this is zoomed out. We can see the wave projection would put a price of around 70,500 at the top of this trend channel, which is formed. But you're only risking about $1,000 on this, on one full Bitcoin. Obviously, very few people are going to buy and swing trade a one full Bitcoin. But you're risking $1,000 on one full Bitcoin here to make about $5,000 to $6,000. So that's what I call asymmetric, meaning you're risking $1 to make $5, $6, $7 on a trade. Of course, past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. You can lose money trading. I hope you like this content. This helps me to trade these little patterns. And if you like it, please let me know. If you don't like it, let me know how I can improve it. Thank you.